Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to do revision of moral science of chapter 2, Honest Dia. We had already done the revision but now we are continuing that. Same thing, again I am repeating. You will get the question with 3 options. You have to read very carefully all the questions and all the answers. Without reading all the options, you don't tick on any answer. So let's start the work. First is, who threw the ball with force? You know the story of Honest Gia, and do you remember that who threw the ball with force? Options are Gia, Sia, or a little boy. Gia, Sia are from this chapter, but little boy is not. But you will get this type of option in your examination. Don't be confused there. Now come to the question. Who threw the ball with force? Gia, Sia, or a little boy? Yes, Gia threw the ball with force and Sia could not catch it. Little boy is not there in the chapter. Question number 2 is, from where did the mother rush out? Where was the mother when the jar was broken? She came out from the options are storeroom, bedroom, or kitchen. Now you think about it. From where did the mother rush out? Yes, she rushed out from the kitchen. She was in the kitchen doing some work, and when she heard the voice, she come out. She rushed out from the kitchen. Next is, the ball hit the. When the Gia and Sia were playing with the ball, that ball hit the sugar jar, cookie jar, or the chocolate jar. Which is the correct answer? Cookie jar. Because sugar jar and the chocolate jar were not in the story. Next is, who was very angry? In this chapter, who was very angry? Options: mother, Jesus, or Sia. Correct answer is mother. Mother was very angry because she was telling them, to Gia and Sia, not to play inside the house with the ball, but they didn't listen and they had broken that cookie jar. So mother was very angry by seeing the broken cookie jar. Jesus was not in the chapter, and Sia was also playing with Gia. So correct answer is mother. Tick on mother. Next is, it is my fault. Who thought in herself? It is my fault. ये मेरी गलती थी. किसने सोचा? Herself means किसने सोचा. Her we use for the female person. Herself also is used for the female person. And the options are Gia, Sia, or none of them. None of them means, children, not the Gia, not the Sia. Means both the options are wrong. Both have not said this sentence. Now you think, who said this sentence in the story? If you have read the story, you know this very well. It is my fault. Jia said this. Sorry, Jia thought in herself. Sorry, children. Jia thought in herself that it is my fault and I will go to the mother and accept my fault. It was not Sia's fault and none of them will be wrong because correct answer is Jia. Next is no mother, not me. Who said this? Who said it? No mother, not me. It was said by Sia, or it was said by Jia, or it was said by both of them. See children, none means koi nahi. Both the options are wrong. Both means both the options are correct. So be very careful when you solve in your periodic exam. No mother, not me. Who said this? Sia said this or Jia said this? Or both of them said this? It is said by both of them. When mother asked to Jia, is it you, Jia? Jia said no. When mother asked to Sia, is it you, Sia? She also said no mother, not me. Means Sia and Jia both said together, no mother, not me. So correct option is both of them. Means both of them said this sentence. Okay children, do in your rough copy, do practice of it, learn the spellings of options also. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe and study also.